Hi guys, and welcome back for the love of food. I'm on my way to a cookout today and I'm bringing some Greek orzo salad. So I have everything cut up, so I figured I'd show you how I put it together and the ingredients that I use. So first, I'm making quite a big batch. I have 2 pounds of cooked orzo here that has been drained and cooled. And we're gonna actually just start putting all of our stuff in. So I'm going to first start off by putting in some cherry tomatoes that were basically quartered in eighths, cut in half. We got some diced onion here. We're just going to add everything together. Just mix it up. I have some green and black olives that were pitted, and we just chop those up. Basically anything that goes into a Greek salad is going to go right in here. And then lastly, we have our diced green and red onion and some cucumber, okay? Now for the good stuff. We have some feta cheese, and I'm going to use this whole block. So you're just going to basically crumple it all in, toss it around, okay? And then you're going to pick your favorite Greek dressing. Now, of course, you could use, make your own. I'm on a rush here, I'm on a time crunch, so I'm just using a simple Greek vinaigrette dressing. Actually, shake it up, make sure we get all that goodness under there. And I'm going to use the whole bottle just because I'm doing 2 pounds of the salad. If you're only going to do 1 box of orzo. And then the last thing that we have, which I love and I add to almost all of my stuff, is ground sumac. Sumac is a Middle Eastern spice. It has like a lemony vinaigrette flavoring, and I always think of it as almost like a dried red wine vinegar, but it's more of like a lemony flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit more to that. We're going to give it a nice mix. And make sure to keep this salad cool just because of the feta cheese, but it actually stands up good in the heat. So make sure to get all the way down on the sides. There you go. There you have it. Perfect Greek orzo salad, and I'm going to throw some chopped up parsley just on the top. Enjoy and have a great day.